Need to add more background to your image? Here's how to expand your photo on Befunky. First, open your photo in the Befunky editor. From the left-hand toolbar, select the Resize tool or choose the Expand option. You will now see the option to adjust the canvas size of your image. Drag the edges of the canvas outward to expand the image area. Befunky will automatically fill in the extended space with a blurred version of the image or color of your choice. If you'd prefer something different, you can choose to fill the area with the custom background color. Once you have got the size you want, hit apply. Use the background fill option to add a solid or gradient color to the expanded space. Do you like to expand images for better framing? Tell me how you use this feature. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.